Namaste, dear learners. In the last class, we learned the writing practice of a and a. And in this class, we are going to write e and e, the next vowels of Hindi language. So, e and e. Look, these two vowels also look very similar to each other and are very easy to write. So to write E, what we do, we make a small standing line and then we make a curve. You can say we make an S of English alphabet. And then we join a small curve at the end. And we cover it with a Shirorekha as we told earlier. This is our third vowel E. Imli. Let's try practice one more time. A small standing line, then a curve or S of English alphabet, and then join it with a curve and cover it with a slipping line. It becomes E. Very good. Let's try writing one more time. Small standing line. Even if you make this sleeping line or Shirorekha first, then also it's no problem. You can make it. Some people make it first and then write the vowel, and some people first write the vowel and then make this upper sleeping line or Shirorekha. Both ways are correct. So, a small standing line, then S, then a curve with a tail. It becomes E. Let's try once more. A sleeping line, a small standing line, then make S and a curve with a tail. It becomes E, the third vowel, Imli. Good. Now we will make the fourth vowel, that is E. And it is very similar to E. It has just one added extra curve in it. So how we will write it? We will write one standing line. Then we will make S and a curve with a tail. Then we will cover this whole vowel with a sleeping line called Shirorekha. And for making E, we will add one curve and the above. It will become our fourth Hindi vowel E. Eek. Let's try once more. A sleeping line, a small standing line, then S, a curve with a tail, and then make a curve at the top. It becomes E. Let's try one more time. Small standing line, S, then a curve with a tail, a sleeping line, then a curve at the top. Standing line, a curve, then a circle with a tail, then a sleeping line, then a curve. It becomes, we written E and E. So now let's try writing E and E together. So how we will write E and E together? Let's try. E, E, E and E. And as I told you earlier, we generally leave one line to make it more clean and cohesive. Let's try writing it in the second line also. So how it will become? This is E and E. E and E. So, do you want to write all the four vowels together? Let's try it. So, the first vowel is A, second is A, third is E, And then fourth is E. So these were the 4 vowels that we learned till now. So very good. We will meet in the next